Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you all to Ticker TV. Friends, today's stock is Muthoot Finance and we will do the multi-time frame analysis on Muthoot price chart of Muthoot Finance and try to find out whether there is a possibility of a high probability trade, and we will do the price action analysis and combine with other studies as well, and then set out the possible trading strategies or investing strategies. So friends, let's straight away go to the price chart of Muthoot Finance to begin the multi-time frame analysis. So friends, let's begin the multi-time frame analysis on price chart of Muthoot Finance. Friends, this is the price chart of Muthoot Finance on NSE India in monthly time frame. What we can visually observe is that the stock is making, the price is making higher highs and higher lows kind of formation. So it's in a clear uptrending move. So friends, what we can observe here is I have drawn this rising channel. So we can see that the price has taken support in the lower fiber of the channel here. It has taken support here, once again here, and once again here. So friend, the lower fiber of the channel is acting very well as a support line. So friend, this is nothing but a rising trend line, which is the lower fiber of this channel, and we can see the pivots as a resistance. The price rejection can be seen here, it can be seen here, it can be seen here, it can be seen here. So friend, this particular stock is trading in a rising channel and following the channel very well since long back. So friends, now what we can see is I have drawn these two horizontal lines, and we can see the price was consolidating in this particular range, in a range of 576 to 650, and then finally the price broke out of this particular range in the month of September 2019 with a rise in the volume. And now what we can see, this line which was acting as a resistance has now acted as a support. We can see the bears tried to push the price down in the month of October, but ultimately the buying came in, and we can see the clear cut support on this resistance line now, which is acting as a support. So friend, now the current month candle is showing the upside move. However, it is too early to say as far as monthly candle is concerned, because the month is yet to be completed. So friends, let's now move to the one more thing I would like to explain is the price every time retraces takes a support at EMA 21, which is shown by the green color line. So it has taken support here, it has taken support here, it has taken support here. So ultimately, if you see, the price here was at a very important confluencing zone where EMA 21 was there. At the same time, the lower fiber of the channel was there, and the price action analysis has indicated this as a very strong support at 575.76 value. So friend, let's now move to the weekly time frame to take the analysis forward. So friend, this is the weekly chart of Muthoot Finance, and what we can observe here is now we can clearly see the consolidation band at this particular point, and the price has decisively broken out of this range in the week which commenced on 23rd September 2019, and then we can see the price retraced a little bit, and then could find a support on this horizontal line, and there is a formation of bullish pin bar taking support on EMA 21. Now what we can see in weekly time frame, the price in the current week has taken support once again at EMA 21. So EMA 21 becomes a very established kind of support in weekly time frame, and now we can see the rise in the volume. However, one trading session is left in the current week, which will be ending on 6th December 2019, because this analysis is being performed post market closing on 5th December 2019. So friend, let's now move ahead to the daily time frame, and before that let us also check the supporting indicator in weekly time frame. What we can see here is the RSI, which is a momentum indicator of 14-day period, has a clear tendency of going past 60 value, which indicates a very good momentum is there on upside. Besides that, force index is showing the value which is above zero, indicating that there is an extent of participation as well in upside move. So friend, now let's move to daily time frame to see the recent price action. So friend, this is the daily price chart of Muthoot Finance on NSE India. Let me remove all the drawings that we have drawn in the monthly and weekly time frame so that we can make the chart clutter free and check the recent price action correctly. So friend, let me first draw some horizontal line based on price actions. So we can see this was a very massive resistance and multiple rejection can be seen unless the price finally broke out of this resistance on 24th September 2019, and then price retraced and this resistance was proved to be a support obviously. Now friend, what we can see further is that price during this consolidation made double bottom here and the apex of the double bottom was broken here, and the price achieved the target, that is the minimum objective of this double bottom formation, and then started retracing. One more thing what we can observe here is that the price in recent time has retraced and taken support at EMA 55, which is shown in the blue color line, which is very significant. At the same time, what we can observe is that price when retracing, there was a gap down candle formed on 4th December 2019, and which was a smaller candle than prior candle, and then there is a clear cut bullish candle formation today on 5th December 2019, where the price rose by 3.5% on a closing basis. So friend, this is nothing but a formation of morning star, and that too at a very key support of EMA 55. What we can further observe is, let me draw a channel to show you in the recent time frame. So friend, I am drawing this channel, and what we can see here is this is the channel. Price is trading in a rising channel here, and the price is now bouncing back off the lower fiber of this channel, which is very significant. So this becomes a very important confluencing area where the price has taken support at the lower fiber of this channel. At the same time, it is quite in vicinity of EMA 55. So this all analysis indicates on the basis of price action that the price is ready to move. When today's morning star got confirmed, we can see the rise in the volume as well. Let us also check the supporting indicator in daily time frame. What we can see that RSI, that is a momentum indicator, is taking support on value 40, which is very significant and has a tendency to go past 60. So the momentum is good. Force index is showing a good supporting value. There is a power behind the rise in the volume because extent of volume is also indicated in price rise because the value of force index is above zero. So friend, all these indications indicate that it looks like a high probability trade, and in this recent cyclic phenomenon, the price is likely to test at least the upper fiber, and we do not know absolutely that if it is broken out on upside, then we might see a very big move in this particular script on upside. So friend, what should be the trading strategy? Simply, friend, today's candle's high is 698.05, so we can put the buy stop order at above this value, so around 700 could be the buy stop order. If that order is triggered, we are into trade, or else we can avoid to a large extent by this process the false breakout or a false situation in the price chart. What should be the stop loss? Friends, the best strategy is to ride the trend and trail the stop loss. Since this lower fiber of the channel will act as a very good support, and hence we can keep stop loss as one ATR below this lower fiber. So lower fiber is coming at around 660 and ATR value based on the today's closing is around 21.5. So around 22 rupees below 661 could be a good stop loss, and as the price moves in our direction, against our long trade possible strategy, then we can trail the stop loss and ride the trend. So friends, let's summarize briefly whatever we have discussed on the price chart. In monthly time frame, we could clearly see the price is an uptrending move. And friends, it is rising in a rising channel, and we discussed the characteristics and behavior of price actions on monthly chart. Then we had clearly seen the price consolidated in a band, and then there was a clear cut breakout in weekly time frame. And in order to study the recent price action, we analyzed the daily price chart, and we found that the price retraced, and then there is a formation of morning star near a very key support area of EMA 55. Besides that, we check the supporting indicator like momentum indicator RSI and then force index, both indicating bullish view, and hence friend, it looks like ready for a very good long trade. And we have discussed briefly what should be the possible trading strategies, where one should ride the trend and trail the stop loss, and what should be the process of trailing the stop loss has well been discussed during the price analysis. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.